Hey everyone, we have some fun and exciting news. Ash and I just got sibling Frenchie Bulldogs.
They are so doggone cute, but Whitney and I get so sad when we have to leave our homes and come up to the studio to shoot how-to videos for you guys because we leave them at home all alone.
So luckily, we have teamed up with Furbo Dog Camera to help keep an eye on them while we're here working and building.
So I've got my Furbo Dog Cam watching Lola today while we're up here teaching you guys how to build this DIY dog bed.
You're gonna love it, so let's get to building it.
But wait, let's check on Lola before we get started.
Good thinking. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. She needs a treat.
She does. Good girl, Lola. Good girl. Aw.
We're gonna build you the cutest bed.
Aw, she's so excited. Okay, bye Lola.
Off to work.
This is the cutest and easiest dog bed that you will ever build. All you need is 11 boards and 4 tools.
And a Furbo Dog Camera. So let's get to building it. So the first step in building this dog bed is to plank our base. So these are 2x4 boards that we've ripped down to 3 inches. And we've gone and added 1.5 inch pocket holes on each board except our final one. This is very similar to planking like a dining table or a coffee table, but it's a dog bed. All right, Ashley, show us what we're doing here.
Doing a little pocket hole action. So I've got my 2.5 inch pocket hole screw and I'm putting it into the 1.5 inch pocket holes that we've already drilled in these planks. There we go. So easy.
All right, Ash, why don't you let me finish the planking and you go check on Lola.
It's a good deal right there. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her.
Oh my goodness, so cute.
I love that I can feed her treats from my phone.
Oh, look at that.
That's a good girl, Lola.
So fun.
And I love that she can hear me talking to her too.
Agreed. That's one of my favorite parts too.
I could do this all day.
Yeah. I bet
Lola!
All right, we've got this finished. I'm gonna move this out of the way so we can get started on our back.
The back is gonna be constructed with 3 1x4s. We've already gone and drilled 3/4 inch pocket holes down one side of each board. We're gonna lay them next to each other and attach them with 1.25 inch pocket hole screws. And you know what?
What?
This is not that rough of a project.
I see what you did there.
Pause. Time for the next board. Okay, last one. So here's the back. Now it's time to attach the back to the bottom of the bed.
I will get that.
Holding for glue.
All right, so here is the base, and I've laid it with the pocket holes facing down. And we've got the back of our bed. We're gonna add a line of wood glue down one bottom of it. Not both bottoms, but one bottom.
Just one bottom.
Yep, just one. So we're adding a line of wood glue down the bottom of the back, and we're gonna line it up flush. Is this the roughest part of the job?
I don't think this part's that rough.
Okay. All right, so you can see where we've lined the bottom of this up flush with the bottom of our base, and we're attaching everything with 1.5 inch brad nails through the back and into our base. All right, we've got our back attached. Now we're ready to add our sides.
Back attached.
Back attached.
Okay, so with the back attached, now we can build the sides. So to do that, you want to measure and cut as you go. Okay, so we have 3 1x4s for each side piece. And we're gonna lay them next to each other and get the measurement of them for the height. And then we're going to attach those, and then we'll get the measurement for the length. Have to have a tape measure to get the measurements.
And a pencil.
And a pencil. I'm measuring right here to get the length of these 3 boards together, and it is 10.5 inches. So I'm gonna go make my cut on the miter saw for that for all 4 of the side pieces. I am cutting my first piece, and a tip that we've given you guys many times before is to cut, if it's a new board, cut off the end of it just to make sure that it's square, because sometimes they'll be off square a little bit, and then you'll have a messed up cut. All right, 1 cut. 3 more to go, and I think I'm gonna let you take the honors so that I can go check on Lola.
All right, Ash, I got these cuts made. Let's move on. Let's move on.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at Lola. Look how cute
Of
she
course
is.
you were. Oh, she's so cute.
She's so happy. BRB.
Back to work. All right, so we have got our 1x2s cut. So all I'm gonna do is get these boards together flush, add a line of wood glue, and I'm laying that 1x2 on top of it. Then I'm gonna attach it to the 1x4s with the nailer. All right, one side done. I'm gonna flip this guy around. Same thing, good line of wood glue, get my 1x2 and attach it with a nailer.
We have both side trim pieces done. Now I'm going to measure for the bottom and the top piece. And I'm gonna go make that cut. And you do not need to know these measurements because you can download the free printable plans in the description box below. All right. I have got all of my pieces cut and I'm going to attach them the exact same way that Whitney attached the side pieces. All right, both sides are done. Now it's time to attach them to the sides of the dog bed. So we are going to attach these side pieces to the bed and the back with 2-inch brad nails and wood glue.
All right. You know what will be so fun?
What?
Is watching Lola lay in her bed using your Furbo Dog Camera.
I know.
It'll be so cute.
See how much she actually really loves it. I love that I know that Lola's safe at home while I'm away from her working.
I know, it's such peace of mind.
And I love that I can give her treats. Like that's her favorite thing is to get doggy treats and I can give them to her when I'm not at home.
Well, and we've had the hardest time with Tug because he just hates when we leave the house. He gets anxious and now I can talk to him and I think it's totally gonna help that so much.
Oh, so he has like separation anxiety.
He does.
Oh, so perfect for that. And I love that it's all in the app. It was so easy to use and to set up. Okay,
And
here,
it makes me happy because I don't have to miss him all day. All right, Ash got that side done. I'm going to attach it the exact same way on this side.
Now, this is a really big dog bed. My dog is not that big, but I have a couple of other dogs that are gonna wanna lay with her. If you have a big dog, it would fit great for the big dog too. This is based on a large size dog mattress. It's also very easy to modify. There's 3 different sizes of mattresses, so whatever size your mattress is, make your 2x4 bottom that same size.
All right, guys, we've got our sides attached. The next step's gonna be to add this piece along the front. Let me grab that measurement really quick. All right, we've got 39 1/8. I'm gonna go head out to the shop and get that cut really quick.
And I'm gonna check on Lola again. I love that the Furbo Dog app will send me alerts when there's barking in the house or any kind of activity or people walking in the house, so I know that she's safe.
All right, I've got this piece cut and we're ready to attach it.
Bye Lola, gotta go back to work.
All right, so I've got this piece cut. I'm adding glue down the sides where it will touch the front and my sides. And I'm gonna attach it using the 1 1/4 inch brad nails. All right, front piece is attached. Now we gotta add the foot pads and we are done.
I have cut the foot pads and we've already got the bed flipped upside down and we're gonna attach them to each corner with 1 1/4 inch brad nails and wood glue. Oh. All right, now moving on to the front boards. I'm applying wood glue to the bottom of the foot pad and I'm putting it at the corner of the bed. I'm gonna go back and with brad nails. Okay. Moment of truth. We're gonna flip this over and see what we've got. All right, so now all I have to do is give this a finish and put the mattress in there, and I think Lola is gonna love her new bed.
I do too, and thanks again to Furbo for helping us keep an eye on our babies while we're building and working up here at the shop.
Now I've gotta take another look at her.
I know, let's do it. Doggone it, Ashley, this is a really great dog bed.
And it's not that rough to build. I think Lola is gonna love this dog bed forever, and I'm gonna be able to watch her love it forever on our Furbo camera. Doggies out.
Woof, woof. Woof.
Who let the dogs out?
Woo, 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 woo.
Don't make me sing.
All right.
Don't make me sing. What's going on?
All right. No, yeah. Dang it.
Let's see. Let's check on her right now. Is it believable?
I was like, what is she doing? I look over and she's going, like Harry Carey. She's having tremors. I'm sorry. And then I thought you were really gonna say the line, and I'm like, shoot, is this real? Is this a real kid? Okay. Let me see my hand.
I was trying to like be in the moment.
You were so excited. Your eyes were big and everything. Okay. All right. Woo! Regroup.
It's a little something I learned in acting school.
Did I put deodorant on today? We have some if you don't know.
Oh God, where is it? In the bathroom?
That's going on the blooper reel. 100%.
I always forget deodorant. She just loved it. Hit me, baby, one more time.